What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we have another update video on the Mercedes-Benz Actros MP4 by Revell, and we got things in paint. It's not done yet. I still gotta do the interior, like the two-tone interior and clear coat on the body, but we did get the majority of everything in their colors. So let's go ahead and show you what we got so far, and then on the next update video we'll go ahead and get the chassis patched up and show you that. But like I said, everything is in the colors, which is fantastic. So let's go ahead and show you. So the chassis here in front of you it's very cool. We got the engine in its color, aluminum, and all that fun stuff. So this is actually very cool. The wheels are just snug on there, as you see, they're just kind of press fit on there. Take it off for convenience. So we got the chassis here, and the chassis is wonderful. I love the color I chose for it. Like I mentioned this in one of my other videos. Mercedes-Benz, they never use black chassis. They're always like a grayish, like this gray. I actually got it very close to the actual thing, which is very neat. So that's pretty cool. The fifth wheel is black on the road truck, so we did that black, and the whole bottom side, everything's all gray, and yeah, it looks pretty good. The engine fits in there nice and snug. Engine is all aluminum. It's outclad aluminum. I still got detail obviously and stuff, put some weathering in it, but yeah, the majority of it, yeah, it's all aluminum, outclad aluminum. So that looks fantastic. I love how that looks. The engine in this thing is very detailed. It's super cool. Then you got the chassis alone, and, you know, big bulk of it, all of it's all in color. I'm gonna detail paint the brakes themselves to do that aluminum or silver. But other than that, there's not really much to paint on this, because on the road truck, it's majority just one big bulk of a color. So, and everything else I can see in the background is all in the colors. I'm not gonna get into every single part, so that'll be pretty boring. But we got the suspension for where the cab sits on, that's all aluminum. But then we got the wheel ouches right here, or arches, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, those look pretty good. Semi-gloss black, I love the black, and that looks fantastic. So we got that going. We did get some chrome on some parts. We got the cross guard of where you connect the shear on, goes across the transmission. So we got that in chrome. There's actually two pieces of them, and the chrome looks fantastic. The chrome is from Outclad, like I mentioned. All chrome I use, all Outclad. We got the horns, Outclad, chrome, and the wheels themselves are in chrome also. Did a little bit of a matte chrome, not as shiny as this, because the wheels are not really chromey. They're like more like a matte chrome. So I did that, and they look fantastic. So those are the front wheels, and then you get the back wheels. I glued the wheels on already. So, wait, look at that. We got that chrome on there. Looks fantastic. So yeah, the wheels look fantastic. I really love how that looks. The interior is not 100% done. I did get the first color on, and that is the brownish. This is more like a reddish brown. I'm not sure what you want to call it. Like a, I don't know, like a hall red kinda. It's not hall red. I mix a little bit of red in it. Just lighten up the brown a little bit. But yeah, so we got the one side brown, and then over here to this seam line right here, as you see, and all this is gonna be black. So, or black or gray. I'm not really sure what color I'm gonna really do on the second tone. And then you get the seats. The center seats are gonna stay brown, and then I'm gonna mask off the centers, and the whole outside and the other side. The whole outside of it is gonna be a different color, like brown, like black or gray, whatever color I choose. So yeah, the interior looks really good. Just got that one color on, and we'll get that second color painted on it on the future. The fan, everything else, like I mentioned, everything's all paint. The fan is like a yellowish, tannish. It's a weird color, but that's what they use. So let's go ahead and paint it like that. So Yeah, it looks very good. The radiator is, I did steel, just kind of break up the color. They said black or aluminum, but I kind of want to do it steel, just kind of break up the color. And then in here, I'll do aluminum. So, but yeah, that looks really good. So, maybe you're wondering what kind of body color I chose for it, what body color I got for it. So, I was initially going to go with the Viking blue, which I was actually going to do, but the paint was actually pretty old, and I couldn't really thin it, and my airbrush wouldn't make it, so unfortunately I had to ditch it. So, but it's okay. But no, I didn't do a silver, I didn't do like a gray. I was actually punching myself not to do a gray on this one. Even though the gray looks fantastic, but I was like, nope, I'm not gonna do a gray. So I went ahead and did midnight blue, my initial color I was gonna do. This is midnight blue from Splash Paints. I cannot believe this whole bottle actually covered this whole semi truck, and I still got a little bit left, which is fantastic. So I might actually go back and use that whole bottle up. Might as well just get the inside here and stuff. But yeah, this is 2 coats, and 2 coats covered it very well. As you see, the color looks fantastic. It's not cleared yet, it's just dull paint, so I gotta go back and clear it. But you got the whole front right there, you got the steps. So, I mean, I really love how the color looks. I mean, it looks fantastic. So you got the front fascia right there, and you got this, you got the ratchet right there. Like I said, I didn't paint the inside because I had no idea if I was going to have any more paint left over. But I might just do this part black, to be honest. But yeah, and then you got the Mercedes-Benz logo that goes in there. Now, keep in mind, this kit has no chrome. There's no chrome in this kit. So everything, like all these parts I paint chrome, they're not chrome. It's actually, it's molded and it's not chrome. So you're going to have to paint with chrome or whatever color you have, aluminum. But the Mercedes-Benz logo is chrome. The kit, since there is no chrome in this kit, Revell did add a decal provided for this, but I feel like a decal is going to be way too much of a pain. So just paint it chrome, and you're going to save yourself a lot of time just using a decal that Revell provided with the kit. So, but we'll go ahead and show you how it kind of looks. I didn't paint the inside, but I probably should. Whatever. But the inside, I can try to get it mounted on there. Well, it's gonna look like that. Not exactly, but kind of get a point how it's gonna look. But yeah, that's gonna look fantastic. So I love that. We got the roof here. Looks, I mean, this color is so cool. I'm glad I went with this color. So, and yeah, it looks fantastic. So. And you got their parts, you got the side panels and the mirrors, all that fun stuff. And then the body, well, the body's too big to put on camera. But yeah, it's all that dark blue, midnight blue, which looks fantastic. So, but other than that, that's it we got going on so far. We're going to go ahead and get the chassis pretty much patched up so we can do another video on that so you can see the chassis, you know, put together and fully assembled. And then we got to do the clear coat on the body and the second tone of the interior, and then yeah, we'll see what comes from there. But other than that, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Subscribe if you're new because you don't want to miss this. But until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.